And one thing I'd point out here that's kind of ironic is the outrage over Satanism destroying things, like in number 11. Considering how often conservative voices like Crowder and Ben Shapiro destroy things in their video titles, you'd think that they love destroying things. And it got me to thinking.
$20. I wanted a peanut. $20 can buy many peanuts. Explain how. Money can be exchanged for goods and services.
Satanists, conservatives, and Ben Shapiro all have one thing in common. And now, you can too. Friend, have you ever wished you too could harness the power of Satan? Or even something else to destroy things? Then this is the best video you'll watch this year. Because now, for a limited time only, you too can harness the power of the winds of destruction and destroy your enemies. Destroy those fools on Facebook. Destroy the haters on YouTube. Okay. I hear you. This can't be real. I mean, how can I harness such rhetorical zest? I'm just some mouth-breathing klutz who couldn't find their nose with a map.
I'm a creative genius, and there's no other way to word it.
You used to have to be a book-reading smart guy to destroy things. Well, now you don't have to be some kind of guy who's read some books and stuffs to harness the ability to destroy things. Anyone can destroy things easily with this revolutionary new device, the Shapirinator 3000.
It's so simple, even a vice president can do it. Hello?
Bavaria.
The Shapirinator can be yours for just 6 easy payments of $66. Never lose an argument again, even if you have to Shapirinate everything, including the door. Call now. Operators are standing by. 1-800-BAVARIA.
I'm not inclined to continue an interview with a person as badly motivated as you as an interviewer, so I think we're done here. I appreciate your time, sir.
All right,
Thank you so much.
thank you for your time and for showing that anger is not part of American political discourse. Now, Mr. Shapiro, we'll say goodbye.
Get your own Shapirinator today. Call now. 1-800-BAVARIA. Limited time offer. While supplies last. Warranty void in Tennessee. And if you call now, you'll get the new universal adapter that will make the Shapirinator work for any situation. Now you can even destroy things like trash, bills, HOAs, bad feelings, and taxes with the ease of Ben Shapiro. So what are you waiting for? Call now and start destroying things today.